Today we are stand as an essential moment where our continent can harness the power of innovation, collaboration, and a shared determination to place AI at the forefront of African development. In 2020, His Excellency Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed declared Ethiopia's intention to lead in the emerging field of artificial intelligence by establishing Ethiopian Artificial Intelligence Institute. From our early days, the Prime Minister has championed Ethiopia's AI development, declared critical resources, convincing and expertise to make this vision into reality. Rather than begin with regulation, we developed a unique approach. We first unlocked innovation by piloting AI solutions across health, agriculture, transport, customs, judiciary, law enforcement, public service infrastructure, development, natural language processing, finance, skills, and talent development. To prove concepts and build local capacity in 2024, we shaped our experiences into national AI policy setting practice, embedding ethical safeguard, establishing regulatory principles, and guides inclusive growth. This is innovation first, policy second. Model matters deeply. Everyone in this room and for the continent, through experimentation, we were able to understand the real-world results to shape fair and practice regulation and front our AI strategy. As the Prime Minister recently noted, we intend to develop this institute just as have nurtured Ethiopian Airlines into world-class, Carrier and Ethio Telecom into continental leaders by combining bold vision, Stanford support, and hands-on experimentation. Guided by the policy, our vision is to become the premium African Center for AI Research and Development by 2030, generating homegrown, scalable solutions that improve lives across the continent. Our mission is calculated by our motto, AI for all, is foster data-driven AI systems that address pressing challenges, enhance efficiency, boost productivity in every sector, from health, agriculture to public service and finance. This achievement would not have been possible without unwavering support of the United Arab Emirates government, which has provided invaluable skills development opportunities and resources to. In particular, I would like to acknowledge His Excellency Dr. Mohammed Al-Kuwaiti, Head of Cybersecurity, UAE government. Thank you, who is with us here today for the exceptional support to Artificial Intelligence Institute. Ladies and gentlemen, Ethiopia's achievements on AI mirror a broader African development on AI promise. Governments across the continent are drafting policy strategies, and startups are innovating in diverse sectors of economy. Yet our progress needs not and should not end in national borders. Ethiopia stands ready to share its lesson from the AI Institute and the private sector, best practice and resources with partners across the continent. We invite you to collaborate with developing AI solutions that respond to African urgent needs and build future AI talent, as cooperation among us multiply our strengths. This progress is high on potential leaders' unwavering commitment. Your presence, ministers, ambassadors, and EU commissioners shows Africa understood AI is not a future luxury. It is 21st century impressive. Equally, the presence of development of partners, tech companies in this room demonstrates that the development and the regulation of AI into Africa is joint effort that requires close collaboration and support more ever. With this, I urge you to engage fully in today's AI dialogue, shape Africa AI development and regulation by challenging assumptions, sharing your success stories, and discussing different regulatory approaches. Most importantly, forgive participation among yourselves that will continue beyond these dialogues and deliver real-world impact. To conclude, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to His Excellency Dr. Fonte Akom for African Union Institute for Security Studies and Dr. Gideon Timotheus, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, for their leadership in convening this critical dialogue and make it reality. To each of you here, thank you for your unwavering commitment to shape African AI landscape. Together, let us seize this moment to write the next chapter in African AI story on the reflecting our unique aspiration, rich diversity, and pressing needs. With this shared vision and responsibility management, AI holds the power to unlock endless opportunities for our people. Let us move forward with purpose, ensuring that innovation serves for progress across our continent. I thank you.